Come with us to make this sensational pasta. In a baking dish, we're going to add 250 grams of cannelloni pasta. Next, slice a sausage into thin rounds, like this. Set it aside with the pasta. Now, chop a green bell pepper. Now a tomato, chop it. In a bowl, beat 2 eggs. Add 100 grams of heavy cream, and to taste, salt, black pepper, oregano, paprika, fried garlic, parsley, and chives, and to finish, half a liter of milk. Mix everything well to incorporate. Add to the pasta and sausage, the bell pepper, and the tomato. Arrange everything in the baking dish. Now add the sauce we prepared, distributing and organizing the mixture in the dish. Cover with aluminum foil. Bake for 50 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. After this time, remove the aluminum foil and look at that. Sprinkle generously with grated mozzarella and return to the oven for another 15 minutes at the same temperature. And there it is, an incredible baked pasta, full of flavor and with that special touch of sausage and melted cheese. Now just serve and enjoy every bite. If you liked this recipe, don't forget to leave your like and subscribe to the channel for more delicious recipes like this one. Comment below what you think and share it with that friend who loves good pasta. Thanks for following along, and we'll see you in the next recipe. See you soon.